Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss verifying Stoke's theorem along the line y equal to 0, y equal to a, x equal to 0, x equal to a. So what is Stoke's theorem first? What is the statement of Stoke's theorem? Stoke's theorem is the line integral, the combination of line and integration taken over the surface f dr equal to integration taken over the surface f curl f dot n ds. This is the formula. So we will go one by one. We will go one by one. So line integral and surface integral we go. So f dot dr. What is our f? X square I plus xy of j. Dot per what is dr? Dx of I, dy of j, dz of k. So now x square dx, xy dy. That's it. So for f dot dr, for this problem, it reduced to x square dx plus xy dy. Now the sides is x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x this. So if you draw the diagram, x equal to 0, 0, both are, then x equal to a, y equal to 0 on the line, x-axis on the line x-axis, and this is both are a, and this will be x is 0, y is a. This is the C1, this is C2, this is C3, this is C4. And if you call this is O, let me change the color, it is looking a little bit. So this is your O, this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. So what we are doing, the line curve integral along C1 and C2, C3 and C4. We are going one by one. C1 is x equal to 0 to a, and this all we will be seeing and simplifying. Okay, let us go one by one. So the line integral along, so the line integral along OA, along OA or C1. So what is our x? X equal to 0 to a and y equal to 0 to 0. From here to here 0 to 0. That means y is constant, dy equal to 0. So integration taken over the curve C f dot dr C1 is same as x square dx xy dy. This is x square dx xy, y equal to 0, dy equal to 0. This part is 0, so we are left with x square dx. X square dx. X is 0 to a. Now if you integrate, this is x cube by 3, 0 to a. Upper limit is a cube by 3 minus 0. This is number 1 answer. So now we will go along AB or C2. Along AB or C2. C. Along AB or C2. What is our x? Along AB or C2. X is A to A. A to A, there is no change. And y equal to 0 to A. X is A to A, no change means derivative of x is 0. So our limit taken over the curve C2 f dot dr will reduce to dx equal to 0 means this first part is 0, only the second xy dy. What is x? X is a. So y dy. What is the limit of integration? 0 to a. So therefore this is y square by 2, 0 to a. If you put upper limit, if you put the upper limit, a square minus 0, a into a square minus 0 by 2, that will be a cube by 3, a cube by 2. This is number 2. So this is a cube by 2 is number. Now the 3 along BC. Along BC or C3. Along BC, x equal to a to 0 and y equal to a to a. A to a means dy equal to 0. It is constant. So integration taken over the curve C, f dot dr equal to same as x square dx plus xy dy. This will be dy equal to 0 means a to a dy equal to 0 means dy equal to 0, this part is equal to 0. Only we have x square dA and it is a to 0. A to 0. This will be x cube by 3 a to 0. So upper limit is 0 minus a cube 1 by 3. So this will be equal to, it is not writing properly, I'll write again. So this will be 1 by 3 outside, upper limit is 0, lower limit is minus a cube. So minus a cube by 3. This is number 3. So the line integral, the fourth one, along CO or C4. Along C4, x equal to 0 to 0. That means 0 to 0 means x is constant. So that means derivative of x is 0. And y equal to a to 0. Please make a note. Not 0 to a, but a to 0. So along the curve C4, f dot dr. What is f dot dr? X square dx plus xy dy. So dx equal to 0 and dx equal to 0 and x equal to 0. Dx equal to 0 and x equal to, so this is 0 and x equal to 0. So this is 0, 1, 4. So integration taken over the curve C is, C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4. So C4 is 0. I have done C4. C3 is minus a cube by 3. Now I have to see C1 and C2. What is C1? You see, C1 is a cube by 3, C2 is a cube by 2. C1 is a cube by 3, a cube by 2. C1 is a cube by 3 plus a cube by 2. So answer is a cube by 2. This is integration taken over the curve C, f dot dr. This is our answer. That's it. So this is our one. Now f dot cr. Now we have to find curl f. Curl f. What is curl f? I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by z. What is f? X square, xy. Then there is no k term, so it is 0. Now expanding by r1, r of, this is 0 minus 0 minus j of 0 minus 0 k of If we are doing x, this is y minus 0. Only yk. Curl f equal to only yk. In xy plane, n equal to k and ds equal to dx dy by mod of n dot k. So this is equal to dx dy by n equal to k is k dot k. So this is same as dx dy. So integration taken over the surface yes, curl f dot n ds is same as double integral curl f is yk and this is k, ds is dx dy. Now you have to see the limit of integration and it was a square. It was a square 0 0 a 0 and this is a this was the 0 a. So this is 0 to a 0 to a limit of integration is 0 to a. Y will be also 0 to a. Just it. That's it. Integrate. So 0 to a 0 to a. K dot k is 1. So 0 to a only y is there dy and 0 to a dx. This will be y square by 2. 0 to a this is x 0 to a and this will give us this will be a square by 2 minus 0. This is a minus 0. This is a minus 0. This is a. This is a minus 0. So therefore a cube by 2. This is another answer. This is curl taken over the surface yes, curl f dot n ds. This is number 2. So this is 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 what we get? If this 2 is a cube by 2 and number 1 is a cube by 2. You see here also a cube by 2. I have underlined this one. So from 1 and 2 from 1 and 2 Stoke theorem is very important. You see from 1 and 2 Stoke theorem is very important. Number 1 is a cube by 2. Number 2 is also a cube by 2. So therefore, integration taken over the curve f dot dr is same as integral taken over the surface curl f dot n ds. Therefore, Stokes' theorem is verified. I know a little bit big, but we have to go. That is only the way to work out all the steps. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.